Every great movement begins with a simple, powerful idea. Sometimes it's a spark that catches in a single moment. Other times it's a slow realization that grows over years. But at the heart of every movement is a desire to make things better, to challenge the status quo, and to bring people together around a shared purpose. Employee Appreciation Day started with a question. Why do so many managers struggle to recognize the hard work of their people? In offices everywhere, employees were giving their best, but their efforts often went unnoticed. I saw managers who cared but didn't always know how to express it, and teams who felt invisible despite their dedication. I saw a gap between employee effort and acknowledgement, and that became my mission, to create a moment for leaders to pause and show gratitude. I wanted to bridge that gap, to make appreciation not just an afterthought, but a central part of workplace culture. It was about more than just saying thank you. It was about making people feel truly seen. In 1995, with Workman Publishing, we launched Employee Appreciation Day alongside my book, 1001 Ways to Reward Employees. The idea was simple, but revolutionary. Dedicate a day to recognizing the people who make organizations thrive. It was a new tradition, rooted in the belief that everyone deserves to feel valued at work. The day was meant to turn recognition from theory into action, inspired by traditions like Boss's Day, but this time, leaders celebrated their teams. It was a chance to flip the script, to put the spotlight on the people who often work behind the scenes, making success possible. The goal was never just a party or a generic gift. It was about shifting workplace culture. We wanted to encourage leaders to move beyond surface-level gestures and create authentic moments of connection. True appreciation is personal, meaningful, and specific. It's about recognizing the unique contributions each person brings. I believed a formal occasion for thanks could spark year-round morale, engagement, and loyalty. When people feel appreciated, they're more likely to go the extra mile, to support their colleagues, and to stay committed to their organization's mission. The hope, this single day would encourage ongoing recognition, making employees feel valued every day. It was never about a one-time event, but about planting the seeds for a culture where gratitude grows and flourishes all year long. Employee Appreciation Day was designed to be low-cost, high-impact, no big budget needed, just genuine intention. The most meaningful gestures are often the simplest: a heartfelt note, a sincere thank you, or a shared meal that brings people together. Whether through a handwritten note, public praise, or a team lunch, the ways to show appreciation are endless. What matters most is that the recognition is authentic and comes from the heart. The message was simple: we see you, we value you. When leaders take the time to acknowledge their teams, it sends a ripple effect through the entire organization. This act of acknowledgement is one of the most powerful tools a leader has. It builds trust, strengthens relationships, and inspires people to do their best work. It can transform a good company into a great one by fostering a culture of belonging. When people feel like they matter, they bring their whole selves to work, and that energy is contagious. The real power lies in making appreciation a habit, not a one-off event. When gratitude becomes woven into the fabric of daily life at work, it changes everything, from morale to performance to retention. That's how Employee Appreciation Day became a catalyst for a more human-centered workplace, a place where people feel seen, heard, and valued every single day. The first Friday in March wasn't chosen at random. It's a strategic date. March is a peak month for resignations, as employees often consider new opportunities after year-end bonuses. Placing Employee Appreciation Day here gives companies a chance to reinforce their commitment before people start looking elsewhere. It's a proactive retention tool, boosting morale after a stressful February. Friday celebrations end the week on a high note, letting positive feelings linger into the weekend. The timing is consistent, making it easy for companies to plan ahead. It's a predictable anchor in the corporate year, focused on the human side of business. Ultimately, genuine appreciation, not just financial incentives, keeps employees engaged and loyal. Employee Appreciation Day began in the US in 1995 as a grassroots movement, started by leaders who recognized the importance of acknowledging the hard work and dedication of their teams. It was a simple idea at first: set aside a day to say thank you, to celebrate the people who make organizations thrive. The concept quickly resonated with both employees and employers, sparking a new conversation about workplace culture and the value of recognition. But its message quickly spread far beyond American borders, carried by stories of positive change and the growing realization that appreciation is a universal need. Companies everywhere began to see the undeniable link between employee happiness and business success, understanding that a culture of gratitude leads to higher engagement, loyalty, and productivity. The idea traveled rapidly through HR networks, business conferences, and industry publications, inspiring leaders to rethink how they support and motivate their teams. As workplaces became more globalized, organizations in Canada, the UK, Australia, and many other countries adopted similar practices, each adapting the celebration to reflect their own unique cultures and traditions. The rise of the internet and social media accelerated this transformation, making it easier than ever to share stories, photos, and best practices. Celebrations became visible worldwide, and recognition was normalized as a vital part of healthy workplaces. Today, Employee Appreciation Day is less about a single event and more about a global movement, one that encourages continuous recognition and gratitude throughout the year, not just on one day. Its core message, valuing people, has been woven into international wellness programs, leadership development, and management training, shaping how organizations nurture their teams. Employee Appreciation Day now inspires organizations everywhere to prioritize year-round gratitude, fostering environments where everyone feels seen and valued for their contributions. The need to feel valued at work is universal, crossing all borders and cultures, a reminder that appreciation is at the heart of every thriving workplace. Modern Employee Appreciation Day celebrations are more creative than ever. Personalized thank you notes from leaders, video messages, and specific stories of team success make recognition meaningful. Companies now offer gift cards, high-quality swag, or let employees choose their own rewards, moving away from generic gifts. Shared experiences like catered lunches or virtual events build camaraderie for both in-office and remote teams. The most valuable gift is often time, like a half-day off or flexible hours. Investing in professional growth, such as online courses or workshops, shows a commitment to employees' futures. The goal is to create memorable moments that foster community and show genuine appreciation. True gratitude is about making every employee feel seen and valued. Saying thank you at work is more than just good manners. It's a proven driver of business success, shaping the culture and energy of an entire organization. When leaders and colleagues take the time to recognize each other's efforts, it sends a powerful message. Your work matters, and you matter. Employees who feel recognized are up to 50% more engaged, showing greater enthusiasm and commitment to their roles. Yet only a third of the workforce reports feeling consistently engaged, leaving a huge opportunity for improvement. Recognition is a powerful retention tool. Feeling valued can reduce turnover by up to 45%. When people know their contributions are seen and appreciated, they're far more likely to stay and grow with the company. It's cost-effective. Praise costs little, but saves on recruitment and training. A simple thank you can prevent the high costs of losing and replacing talented employees, making it a smart investment for any business. Appreciation also boosts well-being, reducing burnout, anxiety, and depression. When employees feel valued, they're more likely to be resilient, focused, and satisfied in their work. Small, frequent acts of recognition, like a quick note or a public shout-out, can make a big difference in someone's day. And over time, these moments add up to a healthier, happier workplace. When employees feel safe and supported, they're more creative and collaborative. Recognition helps unlock new ideas and encourages people to work together towards shared goals. A culture of gratitude strengthens trust, motivates teams, and reinforces company values. It creates an environment where people want to do their best work and support each other. Consistent acknowledgement inspires excellence and creates a positive feedback loop where good work is noticed and repeated. In one survey, 70% of employees said more thank yous from managers would improve morale. That's a clear signal that recognition is not just appreciated, it's needed. Appreciation fuels motivation, which drives performance and company success. When people feel seen, they're inspired to go above and beyond. Recognition is a simple act with transformative power. One thank you at a time, it can change the entire trajectory of a workplace. Good intentions can fall flat if recognition feels generic or obligatory. A vague email or a token gift card can breed cynicism instead of gratitude. Authentic appreciation is specific, calling out real achievements and individual effort. Fairness matters too. Recognition shouldn't be reserved for only the most visible roles. Overlooking behind-the-scenes contributors creates resentment and division. Organizations must ensure all employees, including remote and support staff, are celebrated. Clear criteria and empowered managers help make recognition equitable. True appreciation is inclusive, specific, and meaningful for everyone. Work is changing, and so is Employee Appreciation Day. The trend is moving from a single event to a year-round culture of recognition. Hybrid and remote work demand new ways to celebrate. Digital platforms, virtual events, and inclusive experiences. The future of appreciation is holistic, focusing on well-being as much as performance. Wellness rewards, mental health resources, and recharge days are becoming part of the mix. Leaders must design flexible, personal recognition programs that truly matter to employees. The goal, a workplace where gratitude is woven into daily life, not just reserved for one day. This shift builds workplaces where people thrive, not just work. Technology is revolutionizing employee appreciation. Digital platforms and AI tools make real-time, peer-to-peer recognition easy and equitable. Gen Z, soon a major part of the workforce, values authenticity and personalized rewards. For them, meaningful gestures might include public shout-outs, mentorship, or passion projects. Rewards are expanding to include experiences and social impact, like team retreats or charitable donations. Companies must move beyond one-size-fits-all, designing creative, values-driven recognition. The most powerful rewards support growth and align with what employees care about. Embracing these trends builds a recognition culture that inspires the next generation. Employee Appreciation Day is more than an annual event. It's a reminder that people are a company's greatest asset. Its real value is in sparking a culture of gratitude that lasts all year. Genuine appreciation fuels engagement, loyalty, and discretionary effort. Building this culture takes consistent, authentic action, training managers, recognizing all roles, and personalizing rewards. The goal is a workplace where people want to be, not just have to be. Let Employee Appreciation Day be a starting point for deeper human connection. Investing in gratitude builds resilient, innovative organizations. When people feel valued, both business and employees flourish, today and every day.